हेलो फार्मासिस्ट, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब हेल्दी फिट और फाइन होंगे। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट autonomic nervous system. So before starting, I just want to share one of the link in the description. Just check out this link. One of the article was published by a journal. Since in India the regulation of pharmacy practice or pharmacy regulation is under the control of Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, and there is no as such separate ministry for pharmaceuticals. And seeing the overwhelming demand of Indian pharmaceuticals across the world, and we have been continuously referred as pharmacy of world since we are supplying medicines across 130 to 40 countries across the world. And in pandemic situation also there is no shortfall of medicines, thanks to our pharmacists for their selfless efforts in the pandemic situation also. So read this article and just comment in the comment box what's your opinion on that. So with this note, we are going to start the autonomic nervous system. But something about me. Hi, I'm Janvi Verma, and I'm a registered pharmacist and currently working in a reputed pharma company. That's all about me. So जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में भी कहा था, लाइक बिफोर स्टडिंग एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू फार्माकोलॉजी यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ द बेसिक्स. सो फ्यू बेसिक टर्म्स वेल स्टडिंग ANS यू विल कम अक्रॉस. इट्स गैंग्लिया. अब गैंग्लिया क्या है? तो दिस आर द बंडल ऑफ नर्व सेल बॉडीज विच इज आउटसाइड द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. सेकेंड वन इज प्री गैंग्लियोनिक न्यूरॉन. ऑब्वियसली प्री मीन्स पहले ही होगा. So neurons, those who have their origin from central nervous system is called as preganglionic neuron, followed by postganglionic neuron. Postganglionic is those neuron with which the preganglionic neuron synapses. Synapses क्या है? तो it's a junction of pre and postganglionic neuron. And postganglionic neuron से ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं कि ultimately supplies to the tissue. एक हो गया CNS से आने वाला न्यूरॉन विच इज सिनेप्सिस, एंड देन फ्रॉम विच द पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक न्यूरॉन ओरिजिन्स एंड रीच टू द अल्टीमेट टिश्यू और द सप्लाई वेयर विच योर इफेक्टर और इफेक्ट शुड रीच. सो इसके अलावा यू कैन सी और कम अक्रॉस लाइक न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर. न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर इज नथिंग बट अ केमिकल सब्सटेंस which is useful for transmitting the information, and it has been released its chemical content in the synapses. So अब ये जो इमेज है that will clear your doubt like what is pre and post ganglionic neuron. So जो CNS से आ रहे हैं that is your pre, and those who are moving toward the effector organs after the synapse is your post ganglionic neuron. So this is all about, in short, the basic terms which are involved in the autonomic nervous system or whatever the nervous system you will study. Nervous system, when you are studying, is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central means attention towards your brain and spinal cord. जो brain and spinal cord की बात करते हैं तो then we are talking about central and nervous system. जब periphery की बात करते हैं कि जो भी जो branches है, all the nerves that are branch out from the brain and spinal cord and extend to the periphery or other parts of the body is peripheral nervous system. Okay. So this peripheral nervous system, it's act as a relay junction between your CNS and rest of the body. So एक good term है याद रखने के लिए, relay junction. So this is in short about the peripheral and central nervous system. We are going to study the peripheral nervous system. So उससे पहले क्या है, we will see like ये जो peripheral है nervous system that have their origin somewhere in the spinal nerves. So total we have 31 pairs of spinal nerves, 8 cranial, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar and 5 sacral, as you can see in the image. Peripheral nervous system is further divided into somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. अब ये somatic और autonomic क्या चीज़ है भाई? तो somatic है तो that is to be deals with only skeletal muscles, and autonomic है that is deals with your smooth muscles या फिर glands हो गए, तो that is where the autonomic nervous system innervate, and somatic to deal with skeletal. So you can correlate SS and autonomic to the rest of the smooth muscles and glands. So somatic nervous system, it's carrying out basically sensory and motor information. अब somatic है ना, तो एक word mind में हमेशा के लिए याद रखने ला, somatic means it is dealing with the voluntary action. Voluntary action यानी जो ऐसे action that is under your control. अभी I am presenting video or I am making videos, so that is my somatic nervous system is carrying out. It's a voluntary action of my under my control. So what is in your control is voluntary and that is done by somatic nervous system. अब इसमें सेंसरी और मोटर इन्फॉर्मेशन का क्या रोल है? तो सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम हैविंग टू काइंड्स ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स, मोटर और इफरेंट, सेंसरी या फिर जिसको ही बोलते हैं हम एफरेंट न्यूरॉन्स. अब मोटर न्यूरॉन्स ऐसे न्यूरॉन्स है दैट इज कैरिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड टू द मसल फाइबर. जैसे कि अगर आपको चोट लग गई, सो इन विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड आपको पता चल जाता है दैट यू हैव हर्ट योर सेल्फ. ये कैसे होता है? तो दैट इज डन बाय योर एफरेंट एंड इफरेंट न्यूरॉन्स. अब एफरेंट न्यूरॉन्स का क्या काम है कि आपको सेंस करवाना दैट यू हैव हर्ट योर सेल्फ एंड दैट विल कैरी योर इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर skeletal muscle to the brain and spinal cord, and from where you got the motor reflexes to remove your hand or to ouch or something you will call after once you got hurt yourself. So that is your motor action followed by your sensory input towards brain and spinal cord. So this is, as I told, like control of voluntary movements. So 3 टाइप के है बेसिकली सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. 3 टाइप के बोलने से अच्छा है, दैट इज ओरिजिनिंग लाइक क्रेनियल स्पाइनल नर्व्स, then brachial plexus and lumbosacral plexus. If you want to study this in details, you can refer various Wikipedia, or you can also refer K.D. Tripathi. It's a good source to learn about somatic nervous system. And further Range and Dale, I will mention the link in description, or you can purchase those books. So this is image of somatic nervous system very loud. So this is all about somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, I have initially told you, like autonomic means it is controlling involuntary actions. ऐसे actions that is not under your control. अभी आप सांस ले रहे, you are taking breathing actions, your heartbeat, your brain, all is regulated by involuntary actions. And involuntary means not under your control. So that are all done by autonomic nervous system. So अगर definition wise बोला जाए, autonomic nervous system is also called as vegetative nervous system. It's a division of peripheral nervous system that supplies smooth muscles, glands, and influence the functions of internal organ. Further, autonomic nervous system is divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic means fight or flight response. You have seen one tiger. What kind of response you might have seen yourself? So that is nothing but your fight and flight response. भागो यहाँ से, शेर आ गया, भागो यहाँ से. So this is your fight and flight. अब इनका जो ओरिजिन है सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम का, तो दैट विल फ्रॉम थोरैसिक टू L3. ओके, एंड प्री एंड पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक रेशियो, अभी मैंने बात किया था प्री एंड पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक रेशियो. जो प्री गैंग्लिया जो है दैट इज शॉर्टर, एंड पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक है, पोस्ट गैंग्लिया जो है दैट इज लॉन्गर. सो रेशियो इज 1:20. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू इफेक्टर ऑर्गन्स थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. थ्रू आउट द बॉडी जो ऑर्गन्स है उसमें इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. Neurotransmitters, basically 2 types of neurotransmitters are seen in sympathetic nervous system, that is acetylcholine and norepinephrine. और फंक्शन जिससे कि मैंने बोला था फाइट एंड फ्लाइट. इमरजेंसी सिचुएशंस जब आते हैं तो दैट विल एक्टिवेट योर सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. देन कम टू पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. वेरी रेस्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट वाला खा पी के सो गए तो दैट इज योर पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. तो इसका जो ओरिजिन है वो क्रेनियोसैक्रल है. यहाँ पे था थोरैसिक लंबर, दिस इज क्रेनियोसैक्रल. प्री गैंग्लियोनिक टू पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक रेशियो बराबर का है, दैट इज 1:1. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज मच मोर लिमिटेड. हेड, नेक और ट्रंक का जो भी फंक्शन है दैट विल बी रेगुलेटेड बाय पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. अब जैसे कि इन sympathetic we have seen two kinds of neurotransmitters. In case of parasympathetic, only acetylcholine will work. Feed and breathe and rest and digest. This is to deal with the parasympathetic nervous system. During rest time, it is activated. So this is about the differences of PNS, that is parasympathetic nervous system, and SNS, sympathetic nervous system. Don't get confused with somatic and peripheral. I am talking here about sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So आगे जैसे कि देख सकते हैं कि दोनों का जो भी action है that is very opposite to each other. सिंपैथेटिक जब फाइट एंड फ्लाइट वाला कंडीशंस है, शेर आ गया एकदम से, यू विल डायलेट योर प्यूपिल्स, इनहिबिट सलाइवा प्रोडक्शन, डायलेट्स ब्रोंकिया, राइजेस हार्ट रेट, दिल धक धक कर रहा है आफ्टर सीइंग दैट शेर. So this is your sympathetic. Opposite to that, parasympathetic. Constrict the pupils, increase saliva production, stimulate the activity of digestive organs. Obviously, you are in the rest conditions when parasympathetic work, and you are in flight or fight mode in sympathetic conditions. So that will contradicts the action in parasympathetic and sympathetic. So this is the difference. You can refer this slide, or you can see KD Tripathi. There also it is very well explained, like what is the difference parasympathetic and sympathetic. So these are the different organs where the innervations for sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems takes place, and what are the functions when it dilates, when it constricts, when it relaxes. All this has been given and explained very well in our books, so I'm not going much into depth here. The basic idea behind creating this video is to clear your idea what actually stands for sympathetic and parasympathetic, what is CNS, what is ANS, and how it happens, what is the basic idea behind this nervous system. So this is all about, in short, autonomic nervous system. Hope you like this video, and if you have any query, do comment in the description box, and do subscribe and like my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye for the day.